Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 4 of doing my dailies in April, and I am working on getting as many minis done as possible. That's really hard. I have a stash of minis and tinies. I bring in $10 every day, and I am doing a great job working through my stash. So we are going to take out our $10 worth of oh my gosh, maybe I shouldn't be filming right now. $10 worth of prop coins. Wow, we're going to put our $10 of cash into our bank, and if we finish anything, we'll come to our bank and get the money and put it in the back and save it to the end of the month to do a little randomizer. So we are actually starting on number 3. I'm going to use my pink dice today, my pink D3, and I'm going to give these a little mix, and then we will get started. How are you doing? Happy Saturday. 1 for number 3. Boo. 2 for number 4, 1 for number 5, 2 for number 6, and we only have 6 envelopes. I have to keep reminding myself that. We're going to take the 2, and then 1 for number 2. Maybe if I start it back here. That worked. Ooh, 3 for 3. You can't really see what I'm doing. Let's see. I'm going to move you for a second. This is just my Coke Zero in the background and my other die that I'm not using. Okay. So we did number 3. So now we're on number 4. 1 for number 4. 2 for number 5. You guys, I think I'm going to be blinging dice for the rest of my life. Oops, I'm going to go back to 1. I love it. I appreciate your guys' support. I'm going to take the 3. It means the world to me. And 1, 2, and 3. Wait, shoot. I think I just put that, and then I need to go to number 2 for that 3. Oh, I hope I'm doing that right. And then 3 is getting, we're going to start on number 4. I think I did that right. And if not, it's totally fine. It's all going to go to the same spot. Okay, so let's start at number 1. I'm going to move this out of the way. Okay, let's see. Oh, look at that. We got $1. It's upside down. We got $1. We got $1, and then we got 50 cents. So $2.50. Love it. Oh, this is one we started yesterday. I almost said last week. From Becca Budget 777. I need my blue pen. We're going to do $2.50. So 25, 50, 75, $1. 25, 50, 75, $1. 25 and 50. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And this will save us $6 when we are done. All right, number 2. Number 2 got $1.25. And this is just needed 75 cents. This is from also Becca Budget 777. Get my orange out so we can do 25, 50, and 75. So this saved us $5. So let's do 75 cents, and then we'll put this guy right there. Now let's get an extra. This one is a little crabby from Bookish Mama Budgets. All right, so we have everything at 25 cents, and it will save us $4, and we can do 50 cents. All right, so that starts us off there. Perfect. And then number 3. So that's $1. Ooh, $2. $2 for number 3. And this is I'm Nicer Than My Face Looks from Kimmy's Corner. This was a Wednesday Night Live exclusive. She loves to give freebies away on her lives. So you should definitely come and hang out on Wednesdays. Okay, I think I did that right. I had a dog interruption in the middle of right before I started coloring, but we got $2, so I colored those in. Pretty sure that's correct. This will save us $4. All right, number 4 got $1.25. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We can do a bunch more little tiny Coke Zeros. So 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. So cute. And then on the back it says, I'm in the bank. Or in the bank. It doesn't say I'm in the bank. Oh, if I had a safety deposit box, it'd be full of Coke Zeros. Just kidding. Sort of. All right, so we have $1 going into number 5. Oh, this one's from the traditional dollar. So we can do 4 more keys. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Unlocking my future, one save at a time. Love it. All right, and last but not least, we have number 6. Ooh, I got $1. Oh, we got $2. $2 for number 6. Oh, this one's from Danny at Craft Go Budgets. Gemini. I am a Gemini, so we can do $2 worth. This is only going to save us $3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I don't know why I counted it weird like that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's okay. That's a lot of coloring in. Maybe I'll just do this. Okay. I would definitely lose all my ink in my blue pen if I did all the circles, even though I really want to do all the circles. So, all right. Well, we finished one for $5. So let's go to the front. Mix up, do a little mix of the prop coins. Put them in our little envelope. Did I shut it? I guess I shut it. And these dashboards and prop coins and all that come from Homebody Mama's Savings, and I will have her linked down below. I don't know why I struggle with that. There's no reason to. And she's a newer channel. She's super fun to watch. She's doing great. All right, so this is $5. So now I put my completed stuff all the way in the back. I put the money, just toss it into the envelope. And she does not have a completed one in the set, so I just made this adorable little duck bird that was number 7. I made it into completed. And then I have just a empty little envelope to put all my challenges in so I can count those up at the end of the month. Yay! That was fun. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.